Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, black color, green color, red color, blue color and yellow ochre color. So kids, now we draw alphabets and first we draw A and use yellow color. A. A for apple. Kids, now you draw B. B for ball. Kids, now you draw C and use green color. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D and use red color. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E and use blue color. E for elephant. Kids, now you draw numbers and first we draw 1 and use yellow ochre color. 1 2 3 4 5. Kids, now you draw 2D shapes and first you draw a square and use yellow color. Square, the shape of square. Kids, now you draw circle, the shape of circle and use black color. Circle. Kids, now you draw triangle, the shape of triangle and use green color. Kids, now you draw heart, the shape of heart and use red color. Kids, now you draw Easter, the shape of Easter and use blue color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.